get to the end of the day and think, I've been resting, so why am I still so exhausted? That's because rest and restoration aren't the same thing. In this video, I'm going to share 7 simple restorative micro practices that rebuild your energy, even on your busiest days. So you can move through this season feeling calm, clear, and centered instead of on the verge of burnout. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Corey Logaitis, otherwise known as Corey Lowe. I'm a professional keynote speaker, high performance coach, and forthcoming author of the book, The 5 Overwhelm Culprits. And I've coached hundreds of high performers, especially women, who have tried to rest their way out of overwhelm by doing less, only to feel even more depleted. I learned the hard way that recovery isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the right small things that restore your mind as well as your body. So here's the difference. Rest is the absence of activity. Restoration is the presence of recovery. So today I'm sharing 7 micro practices that take 5 minutes or less. They're basically your menu to choose from depending on the type of depletion that you're feeling. The first up is the mindful minute. Think of this as your mental restoration option. You close your eyes and you take 10 slow breaths, focusing only on your inhale and exhale. 5 minutes of intentional stillness can reset your nervous system faster than scrolling on social media ever will. So give your brain a break. Next up is a hydration reset. This is a great way to help restore your physical body. So just drink a full glass of water. It's that simple. Add a pinch of sea salt or a lemon if you've been rushing all day. Truth is, dehydration mimics fatigue more than lack of sleep does. So sometimes a really quick hydration reset can help re-energize you and get you going. Next up is a music shift. This can often help us have emotional restoration reset. So put on one song that changes your entire emotional state. If you need to feel calm, put on calming music. If you need to feel more energized, put on something that always gets you wanted to get up and get moving. And make sure you do nothing else until the song ends. Again, we're talking about a micro reset. So music is a great way to tap into that emotional feeling that you want to have in the moment. Next up is a 5-minute move. So think of this as your somatic restoration. Go for a quick 5-minute walk outside, have a 5-minute stretch, or like we said before, dance to one track. So any kind of movement that you do is going to circulate any stress hormones that you have in your body out of your system. So sometimes just 5 minutes of motion can help you restore even more than if you were just sitting on the couch for that time. Next up is a micro disconnect. Think of this as digital restoration. Silence all the notifications on your phone, flip your phone face down, and step away from screens for a minimum of 5 minutes. Again, these are all micro resets. You'd be amazed at how loud your own thoughts are in a good way once you get rid of all the scrolling and the additional input. Next up is a gratitude note, which is a great thing to do for relational restoration. Send a quick message of appreciation to someone, anyone, a teammate, a friend, a family member. Having that level of connection can restore so much energy, just as much as just solitude does. Sometimes we just need to hear from somebody to make us feel better and restored. And the last one for today is a sensory anchor. This is great if you need any kind of spiritual or energetic restoration. I love to light a candle or maybe hold a crystal or step outside into the air, have bare feet in the grass, anything that reconnects you to you and your senses. Anything that helps reignite those senses in the present moment can be super helpful because you're reminding your brain, I'm safe, I'm here right now, I'm okay. So remember, you don't need a full day off to recover. Sometimes you just need more consistent moments of restoration for the specific areas that you're feeling that you need it for. If you do even just one of these every day, you're going to feel a difference by the end of the week. So I'd love to know, which one of these 7 practices do you want to try out first? Drop the number in the comments. And if you already have a favorite 5-minute recharge, share it. You might inspire someone else, and I'm always looking for new ways to recharge as well. If this video was a wake-up call that you've been resting but not restoring, I invite you to take advantage of my Month of Me Method AI companion. It's an AI tool that helps you create a 30-day framework that's fully customized to you to help you rebuild your mental and physical clarity with small, consistent actions. No all-day spa days are required. It's completely customized to you and your unique needs and what you feel you need help with right now. You can go ahead and learn more about it by clicking the link in the show notes. Thank you so much for being here. I truly hope that you found this helpful and that you take some time to recharge in this busy season. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. I'll see you there.
Thanks for checking out The Next Step with Corey Lowe. If this episode resonated with you, share it with a friend, subscribe, and leave a review. Together, we'll transform overwhelm into action, and we'll keep taking the next step towards confident leadership. See you next time.